Today I am going to explain very important question of aptitude placement questions. Okay, so we are going for today set number 4. We set 3 we have already completed. So this is the set number 4 of aptitude placement question answers. Okay, so see what is the first question. The first question is what? M and N salaries together amount to rupees 2000. M spends 95% of his salary and N spends 85% of his salary. If now their savings are the same, what is the N salary? For this type of question, first you see 95% M spent, then how much M save? If 95% is spent, then he save only how much? 5%. So saving is 5%. So this is 5%, that is 5 by 100 of M. This equal to what? That is N spend 85%. So if N spend 85%, then how much percent you can say N save? That is the 15%. Okay. So 100 minus 85, that is 15%. So 15%, that is 15 by 100 of M. Both are same. That is the question. Question is what? That is M and salary together amount to this. M spend 95% of his salary and N spend 85% of his salary. And if now their saving are same. So first we go for saving one. So 95% spent. So M save only 5%. So 5 by 100 of M. In the same way, N spend 85%. So N will save only 15%. So 15 by 100. Now you know this 100 and this 100 cancel out. 5 1 is 5, 5 3 is 50. So now it is a relation M equal to 3. That means salary of M is 3 times of M. Now together salary is given 2000. So M plus N is given how much? 2000. So M is what? 3N. So this is 3N plus N equal to 2000. So this is 4N. So 4N is how much? 2000. So 4 5s are 20. So this is 500. So N salary will be how much? 500. So this is question what the N salary. N salary 500. So our correct answer is this. So for this type of question, simple technique, you see spend 95% N and N spend 85%. And here given is saving are same. So you go for saving. So saving here 5% of M, here 15%. So 5%, 5 by 100 N, 15%, 15 by 100 N. So 100 cancel, you get M equal to 3. Now you directly you know M salary 3 times of M. So M plus N 2000. So 3N plus N 2000, 4N 2000. So N will be what? 500. This is my correct answer. Now you see the next question. This is the next question. The price of an article is increased by 15%. Then by how much the household should decrease their consumption so as to keep his expenditure same. This is a very important question. For this type of question, what is the trick you see? So price per increase, here it is given increase by 15%. Then by how much the household should decrease their consumption so as to keep the expenditure same. So when there is a increase and then we have to find decay. For this type of question, there is a simple technique. Taking what? Given percentage increase into 100. So this is 15 into 100. And then 100, this is increase. So 100 plus 15. So when this type of question comes, just you apply the trick. 15% increase. So percentage less. Decrease their consumption. So percentage less equal to what? Given percentage into 100 divided by 100 plus given percentage, that is 150. So this will 15 into 100 divided by 150. Now you can cancel 5 3 is 15, 5 2 are 10, 5 3 are 50. So this is how much? 300 upon 23. Okay. So here now denominator is less. So you change this number into mixed form. So how we change mixed form? 23 and this is 300. So 23 1 are 23. 10 minus 3 7. This is 70. Now 23 3 are 3 3 are 9 3. That is 1. So our answer is 13 and 1 by 23. So this is 23 1 are 23. 10 minus 3 7. This is 70. And now 23 are 3 3 are 9 3 2 is 1. So our answer will be 13 and 1 by 23%. So here 11 and 1 by 23, 11 and 2 by 23, 11 1 by 23 and 13 and 2 by 20. So again you check it, 50 there is a 15%. So 15 into 100 and divided by 100 plus 50. So this is 150. 5 3 are 50, 5 2 are 10, 5 3 are 50. 300 divided by 23. So if this is 23 1 are 23, so 10 minus 3 7 70. So here 23 3 are 3 3 are 9 3 so 1. So correct answer is 13 and 1 by 23%. So suppose here only 1. So this is 1 by 23%. This is the correct answer. So for this type of question you can use this trick. If there is a increase given and we have to find decrease. So given percentage into 100 divided by 100 plus 50. This is the correct answer. Now question number 3. The question number 3 is also very important question. See here. Two trains of same length are running in the same direction with a speed 50 km per hour and 80 km per hour. The latter completely crossed the first train in 18 seconds. The length of this train. This is the question of train. So this is very time and distance question. For this type of question, what we do see here. So very tricky question is this. So trick is what? That two trains are going in the same direction. When train go in same direction, the relative speed is what? Difference of their speed. Okay. You know time is given, crossing time. So time is what? Distance upon speed. So distance upon speed, two trains of same length are running same direction with speed. So suppose length of each train is h. So total distance will be length of first train plus length of second train upon relative speed. What is the relative speed? Here given 50 km per hour, here 80 km per hour. So in same direction, then there is a difference. So what is difference? 80 minus 50. 80 minus 50. Now it is given in kilometer per hour. It is second. So change this kilometer per hour in meter per second. So just multiply by 5 by 80. You know the trick. That is 1 kilometer per hour equal to what? 5 by 80 meter per second. This is the trick. Changing the number 1 kilometer per hour, just to multiply the given number by 5 by 80. So here 80 minus 50 kilometer per hour, so 5 by 80. This equal to given how much? 18 seconds. Okay. So now you solve this 2x. This 5 by 18, so this 18 to above, so this is multiply 80. Here 80 minus 5, that is 30. So this is 30 into 5. And this equal to what? 18. So you can count this 18, cancel this 18, and this is 50. Okay. So 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 50. So this is x upon 75 equal to 1. So x equal to what? 75. So what is this? 75 meter. So here 75 meter, this is the correct answer. So what is the logic behind this question? If there is a question that two trains of the same length are running in the same direction with a speed of 50 and 80 km, and the latter completely cross the first in 18 seconds. So when two trains are moving the same direction, then time taken for crossing each other is what? total यानी length of first train plus length of second train divided by if the both are going the same direction, then they get difference of speed. So 80 minus 50, it is given kilometer per hour, but here time in seconds. So change this kilometer per hour in meter per second. So multiply kilometer per hour by 5 by 18 because 1 kilometer per hour is 5 by 18 meter per second. So okay, so now this is 2x and this is 18, so this is go above, so this is multiply 80. 80 minus 5, 30 into 5. So this 18 cancel this 18 and 2 1 2 2 5 7. So x upon 75 equal to 1, then x equal to 75. So length of each train will be 75 meter. This is the right answer. Now see this question. Also very tricky question. Side of a square shaped garden is given 8 root 2. Find the maximum possible distance between any two corners. So just to see from figures, this is the square. So a square has all sides equal. So this is the square. So it is given side 8 root 2. This is also 8 root 2. This is also 8 root 2. This is also 8 root 2. Now find the maximum possible in any two corners. So this is the one corner. This is the second. So we have to find this or this. Okay. So this is the diagonal of a square. So you know well diagonal of a square is what? Root 2 into side. So diagonal of a square is root 2 into side. So maximum possible distance will be what? Diagonal. So this is diagonal. So diagonal is what? Root 2 into side. So root 2 is root 2. Side is already given 8 root 2. So this is 8 root 2. So 8 into root 2. Root 2 is what? 2. So that is 16. So our correct answer is what? 16 meter. If it is given in meter, then 16 meter. If it is given in centimeter, then centimeter. Not given any, then there is just 16 meter. This is the right answer, that it is in meter. Okay. So diagonal formula is root 2 into side. So root 2 side is already given 8 root 2. So 8 into 2, 16 meter. So just consider that if maximum possible distance between any corner will be what? That is the diagonal. In this way, you can solve this question very easily. Best of luck.